Welcome back, beautiful people, to another round of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Mark Tutorial. We are starting with our G intermediates, Gardenia. Gardenia, it's a kind of a flower. The gardenia flowers smell wonderful. It's the first of 50. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Grateful, Abhari. She was grateful for the help she received. Gesture, Ishara, he made a gesture of goodwill. Guarantee, guarantee jo milti hai hमें. The company offers a 5-year guarantee on all their products. Glimpse, jhalak. I caught a glimpse of her in the crowd. Gap, antar. There is a gap between the two buildings. Glorious, Gaurav Poon. The sunrise over the mountains was glorious. Grimace, chehra bigadna. She made a grimace when she tasted the sour fruit. Gravity, Gurutwakarshan. The gravity on earth keeps everything grounded. Galore, Bahutayat mein. There were gifts galore at the party. Gaze, Niharna. She gazed out of the window at the sunset. Grief, Shok. She was overcome with grief after hearing the news. Glimmer, Halki Chamak. She was a glimmer of hope. There was a glimmer of hope in the dark night. Guarantee, guarantee. The company offers a 5-year guarantee on all their products. Grumble, Badbadana. He constantly grumbles about his work. Gossip, Afwaha. She loves gossiping with her friends. Glacier, Himnad. The glacier slowly advanced towards the mountain, down the mountain. Gratify, Santusht Karna. Her success in the competition gratified her parents. Grandiose, Bhavya. He had grandiose plans for his new business. Gracious, Dayalu. She gave a gracious reply to the invitation. Garner, Ekatra Karna. The campaign garnered a lot of attention. Gala, Bhavya Ayojan. The company held a grand gala for its anniversary. Glee, Khushi. She danced with glee at the party. Gallant, Sahasi. He made a gallant effort to save the children. Giggle, Hasi. The children giggled at the clown's antics. Grit, Sahas. She showed great grit during the difficult times. Guzzle, Gatakna. He guzzled down the water after the run. Global, Vaishvik. The company has a global presence. Glare, Chamakna, Ghurna. The glare of the headlights blinded him. Graph, Jodna, Bhrashtachar. The manager was accused of grafting funds. Griddle, Tawa. She cooked pancakes on the griddle. Groom, Dulha, Samarna. The groom looked nervous before the ceremony. They groomed the groom. Gust, Jhoka. A gust of wind blew through the trees. Grant, Dena. The foundation will grant scholarships to deserving students. Guidebook, Marg Darshika. He carried a guidebook to explore the city. Grin, Muskurana. He grinned at the joke. Gratefulness, Abhar. His expression showed deep gratefulness for the help. Gallop, Tej Daur. The horse galloped across the field. Gravy, gravy. She poured the gravy over the mashed potatoes. Jumanti with tomato, pyaz, adrak, lasun ki. Gravitational, Gurutwakarshan. The Earth's gravitational pull keeps the moon in orbit. Guidepost, Margdarshak Sanketak. The guidepost showed the direction to the nearest village. Geology, Bhuvigyan. Geology helps us understand the history of the earth. Germinate, Ankurit Hona. The seeds will germinate in a few days. Gruesome, Bhayavah. The gruesome scene shocked everyone. Government, Sarkar. The government introduced new policies to improve the economy. Grapple, Sangharsh Karna. He grappled with the problem for hours. Grudge, Narajgi. He still held a grudge against his colleague. Gurgle, Kharkarahat Karna. The stream gurgled as it flowed over the rocks. Giddy, Chakrana. He felt giddy after riding the roller coaster. Glisten, Chamakna. The wet grass glistened in the morning sun. That's that for that today. I will see you in the next one.